Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing these cute nail art with a little feather and some dry brushing. I know you can barely see it, but they're there. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's start by adding a base coat. Like I said in my last video, or I actually didn't say it, I wrote it down. But on this nail right here, I am not going to use base coat because I do have a poly gel nail on because I broke it and I still want the same length. I didn't want to cut on my nail, so I just added a poly gel nail and I'm just going to paint over it. Now as the base color, I'm going to be using a stamping polish, and this is Blue Bayou, and this is pretty old. I got it for a while, and this is from Bondo Monster, or now Maniology. Now I'm going to be adding a top coat just to smooth out the stamping polish. I'm going to be using the number 001 from Maxi. This is a white. And I'm going to be using, from Bettina, I'm going to be using Playa Flamenco for dry brushing. And I'm just gonna apply it on 3 fingers: the index finger, the ring finger, and the pinky finger. Gonna be using the white one first, and you want to try to take as much product off the brush, and then just brush it. This doesn't have to be perfect. Now for my middle finger, I'll be using this Colorina Mirror Effect. Disclaimer, it is not mirror effect, but I am going to use it to make our feather. And I'm also going to be using the MIDI Candy 00 brush for this. So I'm gonna grab some, and first I am gonna draw a line from one corner to another, curving it a little bit, just like that. And then I will be flaking a little bit to the side like this. I don't know how to say this, but so I could create the feather effect all the way up. And doing it on the other side. And I'm gonna finish everything with a top coat. Here are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail art, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!